cloudy.
National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for Jackson County in southern Mississippi until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gaucher, or 8 miles southwest of Moss Point, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ocean Springs, Moss Point, Gaucher, and Hickory Hills around 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Van Cleve around 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 55 and 70. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Mississippi,